Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Can you hear my voice clearly? Bisa didengar suara saya dengan jelas?
Iya, iya.
Iya, Ustaz.
Eh, karena kita sudah terlalu lama ya, jadi kita mulai saja. Tolong yang lain sambil menghubungi juga teman-teman yang lain. Sekarang partisipan 14, berarti ada 11 ya, baru 11 yang bergabung. Tolong sambil dihubungi teman-teman yang lain. Oke.
Recording in progress.
Oke, kita mulai pembelajarannya. Bismillah. Eh, saya ulang salamnya ya. Oke, Bismillah. Salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke. Uh, First of all, yeah, I'm sorry for getting late to begin this lesson because you have to wait about 20 minutes. I thank you all that you have come on time on this meeting. So, yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, that's a good job that you come on time. So, it's my fault to not confirm the other before we do this meeting. So maybe the others still in their sleep maybe, yeah. Mungkin masih tidur yang lain. So uh, I'm also want to apologize to bother your holiday. Yeah, uh, I realize that this is an important time for you to uh, enjoy your holiday, but yeah, you have to join this meeting, uh, and I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Ya, terima kasih karena sudah menyempatkan waktunya di hari libur ini ya. Oke. As always, before we start our lesson, we will be pray. We'll take prayer. And today's prayer will be led by Firdaus. Firdaus?
Iya, Ustaz.
Okay.
Benar. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Firdaus. Yeah, that's amazing. Uh, So before we go on, I want to remind you that you have to turn on your camera, so I can see your face, and I'm not talking with your profile picture. Jadi you can turn on your camera in the beginning and the last session. Ya, jadi di bagian awal dan di bagian akhir saja ya bisa dimulai. Ya. At the beginning this session, I wanna uh, make sure that you have your attention on this meeting. Ya, jadi please turn on your camera di aisle. Fahmi, Wahyu, okay, Firdaus, good job. Satrio, good job. Fahmi, okay, good job. Thank you. Nabil, Iqbal, Faiz, Fadel Islami,
Tunggu dulu, Ustaz. Kilas dulu, Ustaz.
okay. Well, okay, thank you, Nabil. Yeah, that's amazing. At the previous meeting, yeah, we have learned about. Anyone can remind me what we have to learn at the previous meeting? Apa yang kita pelajari di pertemuan yang lalu? Anyone still remember about that? Fahmi?
Tentang greeting card.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, Fahmi still remember. How about you, Satrio? Do you still remember what we have learned at the previous meeting? Just say anything. If you cannot say it in English, say it in Bahasa Indonesia. Or anything that we do at the previous meeting. Apa saja yang kita lakukan di uh, pertemuan yang lalu. Yeah, you can say one of them.
I don't forget.
You forget? Okay, that's good. Yeah. Maybe because it's 2 weeks ago. Yeah, weeks ago. Yeah. You have doing a lot of thing after that. So yeah, no worries. That's good. Okay. The previous meeting we have learned about greeting cards, how we make greeting cards to congratulate to or to show our sympathy. And today, yeah, we learn a new material. It's about how we retell our experience. Yeah, but let me show you the presentation, the slide. Yeah, so you have you can see what we have learned today. Yeah, so personal recount text. Yeah, teks personal. Ya, tentang pengalaman pribadi. So, yeah, uh, why do you think we have to learn this material? Ya, kenapa kira-kira harus dipelajari materi ini? Anyone have an idea about that? Wahyu? Wahyu, can you hear me? Wahyu? Or Fahmi? Fahmi? Okay. Yeah, maybe because this is a new material. Yeah, uh, no one have an idea what we learn. So yeah, we will learn this material because sometimes we need to retell what we have done. Yeah, or we have to share our experience to others. So that's important why we learn this material. Yeah. So you can see, yeah, the purpose of learning this material. Okay. One of you, can you read this for me? Maybe Iqbal? Iqbal?
Recording in progress.
Okay. Okay, it looks like my network is unstable. So, can you hear my voice now? Bisa didengar suara saya sekarang? Tes.
Bisa, bisa.
Okay, let me change the. Okay, yeah, it's look like I have unstable network. So, yeah, please say something if you uh, see my screen in freeze. Ya, jadi kalau layar saya stop atau suara saya putus-putus, say something that I know about that. Ya, jadi saya bisa tahu apa yang sedang terjadi. So, okay, let me share my screen. Okay, anyone can read about this? How about you, DL? Can you read this for us?
Read Ustad.
Yeah.
We will arrange to give an account of event and activity in order to share our experience, to show that we proud of him, of team, to learn from team and to report team.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, thank you, DL. So we learn in this material to give account of event, yeah, and activities, yeah, in order to, yeah. So the first purpose of learning this material is to share our experience, yeah, and the second is to show that we are proud of them, yeah, and the third, yeah, to learn from them. Yeah. So experience, yeah, we can learn from our experience and from someone's experience, yeah. And the last, yeah, to report them, yeah. So we learn how to tell the experience to others. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see the next slide. Okay, have you ever gone camping? Ya. Ada yang pernah camping di sini? Yeah, of course, all of you, yeah. Everyone has done camping. Yeah, the last camping we have done together is Islamic camp. Yeah. Okay. Firdaus,
Yes, that.
Have you ever gone camping? Pernah camping?
No.
No?
Yes.
Uh, in your holiday, what usually you do? Di hari libur biasanya ngapain? Liburannya kemana? Where did you go when you take your holiday, your vacation? To beach?
Terakhir ke pulau.
Pulau? Oh, what island?
Papua, Ustaz. Di Papua.
Papua. Okay, that's good. What did you do first? What do you do when you arrive at the island? Ngapain di pulau tersebut? When you arrive, what did you do? Ketika sampai di pulau tersebut, ngapain?
What? Have fun.
Have fun.
Hmm.
Okay, what did you do to have fun? Kegiatan apa?
Hmm, swimming.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Swimming is sunnah ya. Swimming in Islam is sunnah. Yeah, so it's good. Okay, thank you. How about you, Satrio? Have you ever gone camping?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, what did you do?
Hiking.
Uh, if you have difficulties in say it in English, just say it in Bahasa, no problems.
Hiking.
Hiking?
Yes.
Okay. What mountain? The name of the mountain.
Bawa Karang.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah. Did you arrive at the summit? Sampai di puncak?
No.
Okay, that's still amazing. Yeah, because if you ask me, yeah, I don't have that much stamina to go hiking. Yeah. Okay. How about you, Dial? Have you ever
Playing football.
playing football? Where?
Yes.
Where did you play?
In Goro Arena.
Goro,
Yes.
Makassar, ya.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, all of you have share your experience. Yeah, that what we will learn today. Yeah, so you will learn to compose that experience into one paragraph. Yeah, so every one of you, yeah, each of you have your own experience. Yeah, pasti punya pengalaman masing-masing. But when you want to share it using English, ya, that's why we learn it today. Ya, jadi itulah alasan kenapa kita belajar hari ini. So you can share your experience using English, yeah, of course. But okay. Nah, uh, yeah, to achieve that goal, yeah, to make you understand about how to share your opinion, how to share your experience, yeah, The first, we will learn, ya, we'll have several activities. Kita akan punya beberapa aktivitas yang akan kita lakukan. Ya, the first one, ya, I will introduce you to the purpose of this material, that what I did, yeah, just now. Yeah. And the second, we will have discussion in group. Ya, jadi kalian akan berkelompok sebentar. Ya. In that group, you will practice a conversation. Yeah. So in group of 3, you will practice a conversation. Yeah. Jadi kalian akan do a conversation. Okay, there are 2 conversations, so each of you can practice with that conversation. And the next activity that we will do is you will arrange a sentence based on the conversation that you have practiced. Yeah, and I will provide you with pictures, so if will act as a guidance, yeah, for you to arrange the sentence. Okay, the last activity that we will do is you have to present your uh, uh, discussion. Yeah, the result of your discussion, you will present it in the class. Yeah. So let's see. I will share a link for you. Yeah, before we come to our own group. Yeah, before I divide you into groups, yeah, I will show you what we will do in that groups. Yeah. Open. Let me stop the presentation. Okay, can you see my screen? Yeah, so this is what we'll do. Yeah, role play. Yeah, so we have to role play. Okay. Fahmi, can you read the instruction for us? This part.
Role play. Here are what we'll do.
First, we will listen and repeat the conversation after the teacher, one by one. Second, in the group, we will play the roles of the speaker. Third, we will correct each other's mistakes.
Okay, thank you, Fahmi. Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you. Okay, yeah, this is what we'll do. Yeah, first we will listen and repeat the conversation after the teacher. That is me. Second, in group, we will play the role of the speaker. Third, we will correct each other mistakes. So in group later, yeah, you will practice this conversation, yeah, with your friend. Okay, but before that, yeah, let me show you how, yeah, to pronounce the conversation. So please listen carefully. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, the first thing that we have to do is listen and repeat. Yeah, listen and repeat. So all of you, please turn on your microphone. Turn on your microphone so you can listen and repeat. All of you. Yeah. Fahmi, Firdaus, Diail, Satrio. Yeah, please turn on your microphone, mic. Diaktifkan mic-nya. Yeah. Satrio dan others. Abid, yeah, you can turn on your microphone so, yeah, we can listen and repeat. Yeah, so listen and repeat. Okay. Can you read the screen clearly? Bisa dibaca dengan jelas layar saya?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, listen and repeat. Okay, listen and repeat. Okay, Udin. Let's work together to plan our text to tell our experience. Okay. Excuse me, I have to. I have to keep touch the screen so it doesn't turn off. Okay, repeat after me. Yeah, repeat after me. Okay, let's work together to plan our text to tell our experience. Can you repeat it or I need to read it more slowly? Bisa diulangi atau saya perlu pelan-pelan, lebih pelan?
Bisa diulangi.
Okay. Repeat after me ya. Jadi kalian baca setelah saya. Okay. Okay. Let's work together to plan our text to tell our experience.
Let's work together to plan our text to tell our experience.
Okay, thank you, Jael. Now, others, please turn on your camera so you can repeat it together. We can repeat it together. Okay.
Okay. Kira mau dilanjut.
I'll tell how my brothers and I met the garden benches.
I tell how my brother and I made the garden
I
benches.
made the garden benches.
Okay, that's good. Amazing. I'll tell how we won the first prize of classroom competition.
I tell
I
who we
tell
won the first
how we
prize of the
won the
classroom
first
competition.
prize of the classroom competition.
What about you, Lina?
What about
What
you,
about
Lina?
you, Lina?
Okay, thank you. That's amazing. I will tell my sister funny experience last Saturday.
I will tell my sister funny experience last Saturday.
Okay, Jael still doing good. The others, please turn on your microphone so we can listen and repeat what I have practiced for you. She went to school on Saturday.
She went to school on Saturday.
Saturday.
Let's start with Edo's story.
Let's
Let's
start with
start
Edo's
with
story.
Eda's story.
First, how did you do?
Uh,
How did you and your brother have the idea of making garden benches?
First, how
First,
did
how
you and
did
your
you
brother
and
have the
your
idea of
brother
making
have the
garden benches?
idea of making garden benches?
My father cut down the old mango.
My
Mango
father cut
Cut down the
down
old
the old
mango
mango
behind our house tree 3 weeks ago.
behind
behind our
our
house
house
3 weeks
3 weeks
ago.
ago.
We saw a big piece of wood.
We
We
saw a
saw
big
a big
piece of
piece
wood.
of wood.
Then we had the idea.
Then we
Then
had the
we
idea.
had the
Okay,
idea.
that's good. Yeah. Jael, Fahmi, and Firdaus doing good. The others, yeah. We wanna hear your voice. Yeah. Just turn on your microphone. What did you do?
What did you
What
do?
did you do?
We told that we wanted to make garden benches.
We
We
told
told
that
that we wanted
that
to make
we
garden
wanted to
benches.
make garden benches.
He agreed and he would help us.
He agreed and he would help
Will
us.
help us.
What did your father do to help you?
What
What
did your
did
father
your
do
father
to
do
help you?
to help you?
We sawed the wood into 3 pieces.
He sawed
He
the wood
sawed the
into
wood
3 pieces.
into 3 pieces.
25 centimeters in diameter and 25 centimeter in height.
25
25
centimeter in
centimeter
diameter
in
and
diameter
25
and
centimeter in
25
height.
centimeter in height.
And after that,
And
And after
after
that,
that,
we rub them with sandpaper to make them smooth.
after
after
that,
that,
we
we
rub
rub them with
them
sandpaper
with
to make them smooth.
sandpaper to mix to smooth.
Okay.
Them smooth.
Then we dried them in the sun for a week.
Then we
Then
dried
we
them
dried
in the
them
sun
in the
for a week.
sun for a week.
When they were dry, what did you do?
When
When
they
they
were
were
dry, what
dry,
did you
what
do?
did you do?
We painted them,
We
We painted them,
one green, one red, and one blue.
one green,
one
one
green,
red,
one
and
red,
one
and
blue.
one blue.
Then we dried them again in the sun for 3 days.
Then
Then
we dried them
we
again
dried
in the
them
sun for
again
3
in the
days.
sun for 3 days.
Okay, now let's help Edo write experience in good order.
Okay,
Okay,
now
let's
let's help
help
Edo with
Edo write his
experience in a
experience
good
in
order.
a good order.
Okay, that's amazing. Yeah. So later in group, yeah, you will practice it. One as Edo, yeah, one as Lina, and one as Udin. Yeah. So in group of 3, Later you will do a role play. Yeah, one as Udin, yeah, one as Edo, and one as Lina. Yeah. For example, three of you, maybe Fahmi, Firdaus, and Abid, for example. Yeah. Fahmi become Udin, Firdaus become Edo, yeah, and Abid become Lina, yeah, for example. Yeah. So you can decide it when you are in your group in break rooms. Yeah. So nah, when you open the link, ya, kalau kalian buka linknya, you can see three dots, ya, three dots in the corner, and in the top corner, ya. Okay. You can enable immersive reader, ya. You can enable immersive reader, ya. When you enable immersive reader, you can see an icon with book and speaker. Ya, jadi ada gambar buku dan speaker di situ. Ya, you can click it. Okay. Okay, you can click it and you can play it so that you uh, you can hear what how to pronounce the conversation. Yeah, let me
One.
say.
Yuden, let's work together to plan our texts to tell our experience. Edo, okay. I'll tell how my brother and I made the garden benches. Yuden, I'll tell how we won the first prize of the classroom competition.
Okay, yeah. So when you practice it with your friend and you confuse how to pronounce it, yeah, you can play the immersive reader. Yeah, you can also set the voice. Ya, if you want female voice, ya. Jadi bisa suara perempuan, bisa suara laki-laki, and you can set the speed of the voice. Ya, jadi bisa di set apakah you want it normal, ya, normal, you choose one, and if you want to hear it slowly, you can choose, you can drag it backward. Ya, jadi bisa diatur di sini. Okay. Okay. After you do the conversation, yeah, you have to arrange these sentences into right order. Ya, jadi in this conversation, ya, you have heard their experience. Ya, jadi mereka sudah menceritakan pengalamannya. Ya, you have to arrange the sentence here into right order based on the picture and conversation. Ya, jadi berdasarkan gambar, ya kalian atur yang mana kalimat pertama, kedua, dan seterusnya. Ya. Can you follow me? Do you understand what you will do in groups?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, thank you, Firdaus. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Also, Sakwani, who is 02? 02 to everyone. Apa itu? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So, you will have two conversation. Jadi ada dua conversation. Yeah, you have to practice it with your friend. Yeah. Okay. Before I divide you into groups, do you have any question about this? Ada pertanyaan?
No.
Okay, let me divide you into group.
Pergi dulu ya. Dari pintu, Nak. Oke, kita rasa.
Motor aja. Aja.
Okay, so before I open the rooms, yeah, I will repeat what we will do in groups. Yeah, so the first, you will practice the conversation. Ya. Jadi kalian praktekkan percakapannya. Ya. And the second, ya, you will arrange the sentences based on the picture and conversation that you have practiced. Ya. Jadi kalian urut setelah praktekkan, ya, kalian urutkan berdasarkan gambar dan percakapan yang telah kalian praktekkan. So, who do the task? Ya, each of you. So, each of you have to fill the link. Ya, jadi walaupun you work in group, ya, each of you, ya, have to fill the link. For example, Firdaus, Fahmi, ya, Diail, for example. Even though you are in one group, ya, Firdaus have to fill the link. Fahmi have to fill the link. Diail have to fill the link. But the answer is the same. Okay? Do you get it? Okay. Jadi walaupun masing-masing menjawab, ya, jawabannya sama, ya, karena hasil diskusi. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I will open the room. Yeah. But first, I will share the link that you have to fulfill, that you have to do. Okay. That's the link, and I will open the room. Yeah, click join, please. Safran, Nabil, click join, Nabil. Okay, I will send the invitation. So please click join when you receive the notification. Jadi saya atur ulang ya kelompoknya. Okay, please click join ya. When you get the notification, so you can go to your own room. Nabil, klik join Nabil. Fadil Islami. Halo? Fadel? Fadel, klik join. Fadel.
Yang nomor 2 yang mana?
We saw a big piece of wood. Then we had the idea.
Okay.
Ciao toh, nomor 2 toh Pami.
Have you practiced the conversation? Sudah dipraktikkan conversationnya?
Belum, Ustaz. Di record kini atau bagaimana?
Do it first. So, one as Udin, one as Lina, and one as Edo.
Di record.
Yeah, I record it. Ya, saya record ini.
Nami pada. Ya, Selina.
Saya Edo.
Saya Udin.
Ya Udin. Duluan kah?
Mulai.
Ya Bismillah dulu.
Let's work together to plan our text to tell our experience.
Okay, I'll tell how my brother and I made the garden benches.
I'll tell how we won the first prize of the classroom competition. What about you, Lina?
I will tell my sister funny experience last Saturday. She went to school on Saturday.
Let's start with Edo's story. First, how did you know and your brother have the idea of making garden benches?
My father cut down the old mango tree behind our house 3 weeks ago. We saw a big piece of wood. Then we had the idea.
What did you do?
We told that we wanted to make garden benches from the wood. He agreed and he would help us.
I'll tell how we won the first prize of the classroom competition. What about you, Lina?
We told that we wanted to make garden benches from the wood. He agreed and he would help us.
Let's start with Edo's story. First, how did you know and your brother have the idea of making garden benches?
My father cut down the old mango tree behind our house 3 weeks ago. We saw a big piece of wood. Then we had the idea.
What did you do?
Brother.
Schooling.
What did your father do to help you?
He sawed the wood into the 3 pieces, 25 centimeter in diameter and 25 centimeter in height.
And after that,
After that, we rubbed them with sandpaper to make them smooth. Then we dried them in the sun for a week.
When they were dry, what did you do?
We painted them on green, one red, and one blue. Then we dried them again in the sun for 3 days.
okay, now let's help Edo with his experience in a good order.
Okay, that's amazing. Good job. Yeah. Now you have to arrange the sentence based on the picture.
Tak mo't kiano to start.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you are doing good. That's amazing. Now you have to arrange the sentence based on the picture and uh, the conversation. Okay. Okay. Do you understand what you have to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me join the other group. Okay. How about your task?
Yes, Ustad.
Bagaimana tugasnya? Have you practiced the conversation? Sudah dipraktekkan? Halo, Satrio? Nabil?
Belum. Karena tahu bisa trios, Ustad. Baru masuk nih.
Oke, ada di link. Bisa diberikan linknya. Oke, jadi dipraktekkan, lalu diurutkan ya, yang di bawah. So you have to practice. For example, as one as Edo, one as Lina, and one as Udin. Yeah, for example, Satrio as Lina, Abid as Udin, and Nabil as Edo. Yeah, so practice the conversation. So after that, ya setelah itu you arrange the sentences based on the picture. Jadi setelah itu kalian urutkan kalimat yang ada di bawahnya berdasarkan gambar. Can you practice it now? Because this is recorded. Karena ini direkam. Ya. Coba dipraktekkan. Satrio?
Yes, Ustad.
Okay. Satrio, Nabil, Abid, ya silakan dipraktekkan. Ini sambil saya rekam, jadi silakan bisa diaktifkan dulu kameranya, diaktifkan kameranya sambil dibaca, dipraktekkan link yang ada di you practice the conversation that I have shared in chat room. Okay, who is Edo? Who is Lina? Who is Udin? Who act as Udin? Siapa yang jadi Udin? Oke, mana? Satrio, Nabil, Abid.
Saya habis Ustaz.
Kenapa?
Satrio sama Nabil Ustaz.
Satrio.
Abang mana pilih?
Saya Edo mau, Edo.
Oke, Nabil, Edo, Satrio. Ayo, we can start. Abid, Lina, Nabil, Edo, Satrio. Mana? Satrio? Can you hear me, Satrio?
Ustaz,
Sudah dilihat yang mau dibaca, Satrio?
iya.
Ya, jadi Nabil, Edo, Satrio, Udin,
Ya.
Abid, Lina. Oke, you can start now. Bisa dimulai.
Mak.
Bisa dimulai. Who first? Siapa yang duluan? Udin dulu, Udin. Satrio?
Ustaz,
Ya, silakan dibaca.
diatur gitu kan Ustaz?
Enggak, conversation dulu, conversation dipraktekkan. Bukan belum yang di bawah, yang di atas dulu.
Yang nomor 1.
Ya.
After we Robert.
Tidak, yang ini.
Nomor 1. Oh, yang paling atas.
Paling atas.
Oh,
Jadi kamu
Udin.
jadi Udin. Nah, Nabil jadi Edo.
Let's work good here to play our things to tell our experience.
Oke, Fadel. Oke, bisa dikerjakan berdua ya, yang link. Lihat linknya.
Let's work good.
Nah, jadi
Good to play or
diskusikan,
this
urutkan kalimat yang benar berdasarkan gambar.
is to share
Bisa?
or experience.
Bisa, Fadel?
Yeah.
Oke. Ya, jadi di situ ada dua gambar ya. Jadi setelahnya dijawab, diurutkan yang tunggu sampai masuk ke room, oke? Oke. Dikerjakan ya, jangan di.
Nggak ada suara.
Edo lagi. Nabil.
Apa? Saya lagi.
Edo.
Okay. I tell how my brother and I made the garden benches.
He let see how we would hit first series of tea, trust, trust, custom, champion, with oblu, Yaulina.
I will tell my sister funny experience last Saturday. She went to school on Saturday.
Let's let's start with out Edo store with no host. How did you and your brother have the idea of making grand benches?
My father cut down the old mango tree in our house 3 weeks ago. We saw a big piece of wood. Then we had the idea.
What did you do?
We told that we wanted to make a garden benches from the wood. He grinned and he would help us.
What what do your friend do to help you?
He sawed the wood into 3 pieces 25 centimeter in diameter and 25 centimeter in height.
And after that,
After that, we rubbed them with sandpaper to make them smooth. Then we rinse in the sun for a week.
When the heat were there, what did you do? You do.
We painted the on green, on red, and blue. The web treat them again in the sun for 3 days.
Okay. Now arrange the sentences. Ya. Arrange the sentences. Silakan ini urutkan kalimat ya berdasarkan gambar. Ada 2 itu. Do it in 5 minutes. Oke? Okay? Bisa?
is that
Oke. Ya, silakan diskusikan jawabannya. Jadi jawaban ke satu kelompok kalian harus sama jawabannya ya.
Recording in progress.
Okay, Fahmi, have you done? Fahmi? Fahmi, have you done?
Yes.
Okay, we wait for the other group to finish their task about 5 minutes. Halo? Oh, iya, iya. Tetap di dalam room. Oh, iya, ada dalam ya. Maaf, maaf. Salah, salah, salah. Oke, sudah selesai? Eh, 2 menit lagi ya. Diurutkan saja. Oke. tetap dalam room ya. Iya, masuk dulu, belum ditutup pembelajarannya. Okay, all of you have doing a great job, yeah, discussing about, and you have practiced the conversation 1 and conversation 2, and you have also arranged two sentences, two paragraph, yeah, uh, based on conversation and picture that you have got. A lot of you have doing good. That's amazing. Yeah. In conversation 1, yeah, maybe still 67% of you have get the right answer, yeah, right arrangement, yeah. And for the conversation 2, 80%, yeah, have got the right answer. So uh, the conversation 2 seems more easier to arrange than the first uh, sentences. Yeah, so that's good. That's amazing. Yeah, none of you have below 50%. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good progress. Yeah. Okay. And we have arrived at the end of our meeting today. Yeah, but before we end our meeting, yeah, let me show you the part of the sentences that you have arranged. Yeah, when you see the paragraph that you have arranged, yeah, you can analyze that they are divided into three main part. Yeah, ada tiga bagian ya. The first is orientation. Yeah, in this part is the background of the story, awal asal mula dari atau pengenalan tokoh, ya, kenapa bisa terjadi pengalaman tersebut, and so on, ya, orientation. Okay, and the second part is events, ya, kejadian-kejadian yang terjadi, ya, when you do the task, ya, you will see uh, what they do first, yeah, when they are making wood benches, yeah, what they do next, and so on, ya. The events, ya, kejadian in the experience. And last is reorientation. Ya, reorientation in this part is summary. Jadi conclusion, ya. Jadi ada kesimpulan di bawah, and sometimes, ya, in this part uh, the writer show their feeling. Ya, jadi memberikan perasaannya biasanya di bagian ini, reorientation. Oke. Okay. Okay, as the last activity, yeah, please see the link that I have shared in chat room. This is Padlet. Ya, jadi kalau kalian buka link tersebut, you will see Padlet. Ya. Nah, in that link, yeah, you write three things. Yeah, the first is the material that you just learned, and the second, the activity that you like, and the third is the material or the activity that you think is difficult. Ya, jadi silakan dituliskan. Yang pertama, materi yang baru saya dipelajari apa, ya. Kemudian aktivitas yang disukai apa, ya. Kemudian materi atau aktivitas yang dianggap sulit. Okay, Fahmi Ababil starting writing. Start writing. Okay, the other, please tell us what you feel, yeah, in this Padlet. Okay, Firdaus, yeah, you can also start. Yeah. Diael, Fahmi, what do you mean? Yes. Materi apa ya? This is the question, ya. Materi apa yang baru dipelajari? Aktivitas yang apa? Aktivitas apa yang kamu sukai? And the third is yang kamu rasa sulit. Ya. Okay. The others, yeah. Others, you can also write your experience. Wahyu, Firdaus, Satrio, yeah, please click the link and feel the reflection. Ya, jadi, so refleksi hari ini, ya. Okay. Okay. After you feel the reflection, ya, this is the last task, ya, tugas terakhir, ya. You have practice about someone that share their experience, ya. In this task, ya, you will do it in, this is a homework, ya, jadi tugas rumah. Ya, we will submit it in the next meeting, ya. Jadi kita kumpulkan di pertemuan depan, ya. You will write your own experience, ya. So in this meeting, you have learned about someone experience, how to arrange the experience, how to tell the experience, ya. As a homework, ya. Jadi tugasnya adalah you will write your own experience. Yeah. For example, Firdaus, yeah, just have to an island in Papua, or Satrio that have gone hiking, yeah, and so on. Tell us in English about the experience. Yeah, so you start with uh, the activity and you explain the events, and the last you can put what you feel about the experience. Okay. Okay, Wahyu have also feel the refleksi pembelajaran. Yeah, the others, I will wait for your reflection. Okay. Do you have any question about meeting today? Okay. I will assume that we have no question about this material. It's clear already. Yeah. I think that's all for our meeting today. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for your participation in this meeting. We close this meeting by reciting kafaratul majelis prayer. Subhanallah hamdik. Syadallah ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Fahmi.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you
warahmatullahi
Wahyu.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you Firdaus. Thank you Satrio. Thank you Fadel. Thank you. Who else? Sakwan. Thank you Nabil. Thank you. Who else? Fadel Islami. Okay.
Ya Ustaz.
Okay. I also thank Mem Salasia and Mem Ramlah. Thank you for joining this meeting. I appreciate that you.
Thank you, Pak Amri.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Let me end this meeting. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, Satrio baru ada suara di Satrio. Oke.